here, and we heard a lot about cotton this morning. We heard also a little bit about the red thread. And now I would like to move to man-made fibers a little bit and to our blue threads. As you know, we are the experts in drawing fibers to perfection. During ITMA, we will present to the international audience various innovations in relation to our blue thread, as well as related to sustainability in the world of heated gode. Within the coming minutes, I would like to give you the first inside view about our innovations to be shown in Milano. One of it is IoTs on a modern heated gode. Second, a new drive concept for super slow speeds. And as a highlight, customized draw frames showing the making of our famous blue thread. But before starting, to introduce you our novelties, I would like to give you a short refresh about Retech. Lean back and enjoy some emotions to draw a fiber. So this was a short inside view about what we are doing, and we are focusing for Milano mainly on IoTs on the modern heated gode and how to achieve sustainability. As you know, heated gode rolls are essential components in the production of synthetic filaments and help to achieve the perfect yarn quality when it comes to heat treatment and drawing. In addition to its innovative designs, Retech also focuses on energy consumption and energy efficiency when it comes to motors and heating equipment. This means all Retech products use less energy than traditional systems, making them more cost-effective over time while achieving excellent results and bringing sustainability on track. Retech also offers unbeatable value when it comes to cost savings, thanks to its low maintenance requirements, meaning less downtime, as well as IoT-ready monitoring features which protects against potential damage due to excess temperatures or other issues. This allows producers to produce higher yields at lower costs without risking product integrity or safety issues down the line. How do we achieve this? In addition to energy-saving motors and energy-optimized heaters already mentioned, a very important part of the Retech gode concept is the long service life, and the associated permanent availability. If a godet fails, there is immediately a great loss, inconvenience and disruption to the production process. Therefore, Retech has equipped its godet with additional measuring elements in order to be able to react preventively to possible damage and subsequent failure. What options can Retech offer its customers and what are the advantages? Thanks to the sophisticated, innovative and proven temperature measuring transmission system, which measures the temperatures in the rotating godet roll and transmit the data contactless to the temperature controller, it is possible to take further measurements, collect data and evaluate them to protect the godet, the ongoing production, and ultimately the sustainability of the entire process and the godet itself. One function which we implemented is induction temperature monitoring by means of thermocouples which are installed in the induction heater or heating zone. The temperature of the induction coil can be measured and monitored. If the temperature exceeds a value based on experience, the coil can be damaged and the service life reduced. If this temperature is exceeded, the system reacts with a warning and simultaneously switches on a cooling function. Most important are bearing temperatures, and we are able to monitor the bearing temperature. If the bearing temperature exceeds a certain value, the bearing life decreases rapidly and leads to bearing damage and godet failure. This leads to major expenses, downtimes and production losses. Therefore, it is essential to monitor the bearing temperature and to detect and delay an approaching bearing damage at an early stage, until the bearings can be replaced as a precaution during planned maintenance work. Thanks to the possibility of installing, transmitting, displaying and evaluating additional temperature sensors in the temperature transmission system, we are able to add measuring points under the bearing position, which represents a great added value for our customers. Last but not least, vibration. In addition to too high temperatures, vibrations can also damage a bearing and lead to bearing failures. If excessive vibrations can be detected and indicated, this would be a considerable added value for the operators. This would allow an early and immediate reaction, and the cause of the vibration could be determined and eliminated. This measurement has also been implemented in the temperature transmission system at the stator. The vibrations are measured, evaluated via the temperature controller, and excessive vibrations are immediately communicated to the operator. But, of course, all this additional information and measurements are only really helpful if the operator then also takes action and eliminates the causes. Depending on the process, the customer and his wishes, Retech offers different levels of measures, from a warning mode for a certain time to the shutdown of the godet. There are various options that are defined in detail with our customers. These new possibilities for extending the service life of heated godet are a milestone and a significant contribution to sustainability. Today's demands on heated godet are not only faster, bigger, longer or hotter, which are required by the ever more advanced manufacturing processes and materials. Slow can also be a challenge. certain processes require a very slow speed. The production of carbon fibers for special medical applications are just two of many examples in this field. Speeds of 0.1 meter per minute to 10 meters per minute can be a demanding task. To ensure that such slow speeds with a ratio of 1 to 100 can be implemented in a stable manner, Retech has developed a new drive system. The central point is the elimination of the coupling that has been common in the industry up to now, which connect the bearing system, the gear and the motor. With the Godet generation presented at ITMA, the bearing, the gearbox and the motor are one unit, a highly interesting new project and product line that Retech will present. And as a highlight, we will show the making of the blue thread. See live how this happens. By means of a demonstration object, the mentioned new products can be seen live in action. We will show all IoTs, vibration measurements, bearing temperature display, and induction temperature measurement. Also the new drive system for slow running Godet will be implemented. And as a highlight, the innovative creation of the blue thread. For this, Retech will show a modular drawing system which underlines the competence as special solution provider for, as an example, R&D facilities or universities and specialty manufacturers. So we would be pleased to welcome all of you in Milano and to introduce our novelties personally to you. Thank you.